Yeah, you could looking for silk berries.
You see the way it's sniffing around those bushes? It's looking for overwintered soapberries is what it's doing. SOAP, like the cleaning product. They're actually really tart tasting berry. Across there.
I had it zoomed all the way in, but I'm sure I just got a dot.
No, would he chase us if we were out there?
You know what? You know what it's doing? I think it's scenting after another bear. Cause you. Yeah.
Oh, she's digging.
Get little roots going on. Yeah, look. So, as a general rule, you don't have hard and fast physical characteristics to tell you the difference between a male and a female.
That's what I was going to ask.
However, if you're used to looking at bears, there are some general characteristics. Longer legs, kind of just a longer frame and a longer neck that you have on the boars. It's just eating a pretty significant piece of roots there right now. It's pretty sweet, actually. Oh, that'd be nice if it keeps coming this way.